Hi.
Good morning and welcome back to the channel.
Yeah, first full day Lake District. We're going to go on some walks.
So I slept very well last night in our lovely cottage.
So, if you want the full room tour, obviously check out our Penrith video that came before this. But yeah, it's a really nice little place to stay, really comfortable, and yeah, great night's sleep.
Yeah, really
which is
quiet.
Very much needed for one of our big walks today.
So today we're going over to Grasmere. So we did do Grasmere in our previous Lake District videos, so do have a look at the link in the description. But we are just popping into Grasmere and then we're going up the fell. Now, it's not a walk that is on all trails. I found it on Google and it's called Grasmere Waterfall Walkways. We're parking in Red Bank car park and we're going to walk up the fell, see some waterfalls, and then we're just going to pond around.
Yeah.
Just have a wander. You can walk around the lake as well. We haven't done Grasmere Lake. So we're just going to see where the day takes us.
Yeah.
I haven't got it planned to a T, which usually I do.
But we'll be fine.
But I just want to go and explore and have a little bit of like a surprise for myself as well.
Yeah. But like I said, we are going back into Grasmere this evening for tea. But we are going to pop in there very quickly now. Because we want to go to the gingerbread shop and grab some gingerbread, not only for ourselves but for Lex as well. The only reason we're doing it now is because it closes at 5 and we don't want to be rushing our walk to get back to it. So I thought we'll just dip in now, get it, and then we'll head out for our walk. Before we begin, of course, don't forget to like, subscribe and ding that notification bell to be notified whenever we do videos. We've got plenty of Lake District content. Make sure that you check out the video before this, and we've got a couple more coming after this.
We're up nice and early, so we're going to get in that car and we're going to get over to Grasmere.
So we've just been to the shop. First thing, already bought quite a lot, which we will show you later. But we did get a few bits, including some coffee.
We'll show you later on. Suited and booted.
Suited and booted, yeah. Got our boots on, got our bag ready, got all our waterproofs just in case, though I don't think it's going to rain.
No, and it's not too cold either.
No.
But it might get a bit windy up on the
we'll see.
On the fell.
But we are in which car park?
So this is Red Bank. So we made the error, and this is where we parked the first time we came. There's like a little shop and it's got a big like parking sign. You think, yeah, go in that car park, but don't go in the first one as you come around the corner. Literally keep going, and there's another one that
right behind it.
It's a long stay.
Yeah.
This one that's next to it closes at 5:30. So
but this one, this one you can stay overnight. You can't stay overnight in your camper van, but you can stay overnight.
As in if you've
and
got
leave,
a hotel.
if you leave the car here. So it was it £9?
£9.60.
24 hours?
Until tomorrow,
yeah. Which I don't think is that bad.
No, I don't think it's bad. And we got here early. There's plenty of spaces. It's filling up now.
Yeah.
So just come early.
Yeah, so ready to roll. I'm going to start heading up that fell to see some waterfalls.
Rock and roll.
Another fine day. God's green country. So you come up to the, is it Fairyland? I think.
Little coffee, tea garden.
And then you,
rowing boats.
yeah, you can row in boats to the little lake that's over there. Then you come to there, and opposite is the chapel style, which we think is the way up. So we have to go up that way. Upwards. Bit of a steep incline.
Sorry for heavy breathing. There you go.
Thank you. Careful. Oh, it's a bit of an incline to kick in with, isn't it?
Yeah, straight in, isn't it?
Straight in.
Get a blood pumping.
Yeah. Burn off that breakfast.
Tired, should we go back?
No. No. I am knackered though. It's been a while since I've done this kind of exercise.
I have to get a drink.
Already? Little diddy waterfall is over there in the distance. Made it up to that gate, which will take us up and round. But as we said before, always look behind you, because you never know what you might see. Right, so being as there's barely any wind, we've got a nice view like that behind us, and there's barely anybody around.
Yeah.
I think we better get Dell up.
Go on, Del. Let's stretch your wings. So we've done Del Boy.
Yeah,
Hope
first
you
outing.
Hope you enjoyed him. Yeah, you don't need to come up far to start getting the views.
Yeah, hopefully we'll do a bit more later when we get up top. We'll see.
Yeah, onwards and upwards.
Through the next gate.
Sounds like a farm, doesn't it? Look at that.
Sure.
What's that?
Yeah, it's felled. It's been felled. Going the easy way.
Yeah.
Oh. This is steeper than I thought it would be. Next gate. Oh. Little stream. Looks at that. This stream does follow the path that we're on, which is nice.
Oh, it's a bit dicey.
Yeah. Here she comes, walking up the hill. I need a pill.
'Cause I feel ill. Hey, we're rambling. Oh.
Rambling, close enough. Oh, I'm sweating.
I'm clammy.
Yeah. Oh. The only thing is, like, it's weird. There is a direct route, but it's not really a direct route. There's no specific path. So you know where you're going, you're just following the water, but there's like 7 different ways to do it. You okay?
You got in the bog again.
What is wrong with me? I keep thinking it's safe. Oh, there we go. Oh. You okay?
Yep. I'm all good.
Okay. I think we're out of the bog bit. Oh, we're out of the dead marshes.
Yes. It's a bit of a steep hill coming up there.
Yeah. The sun is trying. Oh my good lord. It's never ending. Where are these waterfalls? Oh.
Is it dried up?
What? What do you mean? This can't be it, babe. I reckon it's up there.
Huh?
I reckon it's up there, you know. I reckon it's like over there somewhere. Or around there. I don't know. Puppies, 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 puppies. Uh-oh. There's another doggo.
You know when I said at the start of this video I was just winging it, didn't really look at places, wanted it to be a surprise. This is the waterfall.
Comes at a cost.
We haven't had much rain in about 2 weeks, in all honesty.
There are waterfalls basically dotted all over this place, but there's not a specific waterfall that you go to.
No, it's actually called Waterfall Walkways. So I think
The walkways on the waterfall.
what you do is you walk all the way around here and there's just little waterfalls dotted. So I made a boo-boo really.
So we might go down there. We might go over that way. But I think first, we're not going all the way up there.
Oh, God, no.
No. But we'll go about halfway up and chill out for a bit, I think.
Have a sit down, have a cup of coffee.
Yeah. Oh, puppies.
Oh, they've been in the water. What you got? Oh.
Oh, I can feel the gradient on this one. Oh dear. Oh, this is steep. You gotta get down as well, remember? Yeah, let's get to that rock and we'll stop there for a bit. We might not have got a proper waterfall. We get a proper view though.
This is a proper view.
We come about halfway up that scramble you just saw. Chill out for a little bit, a cup of coffee, a couple of snacks.
Yeah.
Because we are not going up there. That's, yeah, I mean it's not about coming up, it's about coming down as well.
Cup of Joe.
Fill yours up first. Still.
Still hard.
Well, yeah. All gone. Oh.
Cheers, all best.
Oh.
Haven't made it as strong as you did.
Yeah, I made it pretty strong last time, didn't I?
Sorry I disappointed you with a waterfall. Tomorrow's going to be a good waterfall.
Yeah, and I saw that one. Yeah.
I've just realised it's waterfall walk though, so like you have these little streams all around here. I think you have to do the walk. It's not
Go
just
down
one.
through there then. Sure, that'll take us back down to the water at some point.
Snicky snacky snoo.
The Parami time.
I love a pepperami.
Yeah. We did look online to get some of those pokers that we had last time we came to Lake District that we got in Wales. That was so nice, like wine and cheese. But they were quite expensive with the postage.
Yeah, there was £6.50 for a pack, and then another like £7 for postage.
I was like, nah, not this time.
Pepperami it is.
Ready to go back down?
Yes.
Let's go. Hey?
Get flashbacks.
It's not that bad. It's nowhere near as bad as that. Yeah, so we...
He's there, he's done it. He's done it.
That's it.
He's bloody done it. There he is, there's my man.
So, yeah, there was a guy that walked past, well, a couple with a kid who walked past us up that steep hill, and the kid was on his back.
But this kid could eat steak. I swear this kid was probably seven.
7?
8 years old.
And he had him on his back, and he didn't even look like he was struggling that much.
And they were playing I Spy, so they were speaking and everything.
Don't know how he did it. Sheen.
Got someone that's doing fell running.
Yeah. So yeah, we're not going this way. Where that guy is. We are going to go that way, down the side of the wall. Yeah, it's all the way over there on the road.
No.
Right, down we go. That guy better be getting more than a bloody pint after that walk. Bet it needs to be getting a little bit of nippy, I think.
Oh no! Not on God's weekend.
It's not God's weekend, it's Jesus' weekend. And he's dead at this moment in time, so bug it.
Always seems to be the men with the baby on the back.
Weird that, isn't it?
Weird that.
See what we've done. Like I did the hard bit going up the hill with a bag. And now you're helping.
Yeah.
Because you're a strong, independent woman, doesn't need carrying.
Yeah. I mean, you did the hard part, but
Still.
I do try and take it in turn. Here's the waterfalls.
So yeah, they all come down these little streams.
Let's say, if it had pissed it down, these would be more dramatic. We haven't had rain for a long time.
Yeah.
Still pretty.
Oh yeah, absolutely. It's a Lake District.
We have got a waterfall coming up.
Yes, in the next video. What's it called?
Error Force.
Error Force. There we go. Yeah, we've got that coming up in the next video. Which should be nice.
See how fucking steep that is. Jesus.
Oh my god. No, it really doesn't. So right in the dead centre there's two people sitting on the side, which is pretty much where we were. We were a tiny bit lower than them. And then everybody else is up there. There's little dots at the top between the middle of the two crests.
He went up there
with a baby on his back. Not a baby.
No.
Child.
A
A child. Unbelievable. Fair play. The game is the game. Almost put my foot in the deep bit then.
Oh dear. No. Oh no. You're squishy. Squishy. Squelcheroony.
Bloody hell. Is that a wall or is that the back of the tree that's fallen down?
It's the back of the tree.
Because there's loads of roots. If it is, Jesus. Oh, it looks like there's two options. We either go that way or there's a gate. Oh, through there. I assume it's through that gate.
There he is.
Hi.
Light of my life.
No, but it's like this perfect tree just standing alone. Oh, look at that. It's a big tree that's been felled. A little waterfall. Yay! Yay! get down there so we can get a good shot of it. There we go. There's a waterfall. That's a nice one.
That's a nice one. I would go down, but it looks very steep.
Yeah, getting back up will be a bit of a bitch, I think. You okay?
Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah.
So, yeah, just come away from the waterfall and it's down there to another gate, I think. Slowly but surely making our way down to the water. It's actually called Grasmere Lake.
Yes.
Yeah. No, we can't go through there. Private property.
Okay.
So we don't go through there. The arrow is pointing, so we have to go round the side of the wall.
Follow the waterfall then.
I can only assume that that section is for farmers and people, so they've got certain trees and that they use for business and whatnot. And
Yeah, it's just someone's land, isn't it?
yeah, just make sure no one uses it. Yeah. Yeah, it's not too hot, it's not too cold. There's a bit of a breeze when you're up a bit higher, but apart from that, it's perfect. It's the only problem with coming around in the summer is that although the weather's gorgeous, it's hot.
It's hot. Loads of people are up here.
Yeah.
You'll have the midges as well.
Yeah. You always want to come around March, April, May time. It's the best time to come, I think.
And then autumn. I'd love to see it in the autumn with the autumn.
Yeah.
leaves.
Not that we're Lake District connoisseurs, this is only our second time round, but from all the blogs and vlogs and everything, the research we've done, that seems to be the general consensus. Do it in the spring, before everybody's here and it's too hot. Another one? Coming up to a tree.
Ooh. Tree fallen.
Oh my god! You do have to bend over a bit. There you go.
Bloody.
Bloody hell.
Bloody.
Still on our way down.
His thighs and knees are burning.
Yeah, you do have to scramble down a little bit. Still got a ways to go.
Still with that water gushing.
Yeah. We're getting there, babe. Piece by piece. Still got a little bit to go, but we're getting there. Having a rest.
Having a rest.
Yeah. And the waterfall?
Yeah, quite good to find your waterfall.
Yeah.
It's pedal.
Goes all the way down.
Beautiful.
Got right close to one. Goes all the way down. Yay! After a nice little 5-minute breather with the waterfall, we've now got to head down here. Still a ways to go. Further than we thought. Scrambled all the way down there. Still following the waterfall, the stream. Looks like we're going to be levelling off at least a little bit just here. We'll see. But we're not far enough down near the water yet, so we've still got a little bit further to go. Ah, a gate.
Yeah, nearly there.
Nearly down to dry land.
There's another one.
Okay. Oh yeah, so we are. Close that off.
Private land.
Oh, I see. Yes, that's the private land that we were nearby earlier. That goes down there. Under a little bridge. So yeah, we've just come out of that gate. It's a little stream there. I think we go that way now. On the road. Back down to the river. Down to the lake rather. Another stream. Horses. Okay, buddy. Oh, beautiful. You're beautiful. Got mud on you though.
Rolling.
We're rolling. So we're just coming back onto the main road, and behind us, as you can see, that is the man we were talking about earlier, who had a 7-year-old strapped to the back of him, went all the way up that.
He's gone up the mountain.
And he's here. In the time that we've gone round and taken our time doing this, he's gone up there, come back down, and he's right behind us.
The kid's still on his back.
Unbelievable. He's an absolute unit.
Well done, sir.
Fair play. You need more than a beer, I'll tell you that. Unit. Absolute unit. Fair play. Well played, sir. Well played.
I
I tip my cap to you because I'm never doing it. Because tonight will be the night that I will fall for you. Emo horse. So we're back on the main road. Lake's right there. Car's coming through, obviously. We've just come out of there. But Sarah has said apparently if we go this way, the way the car is going, we can get down to the lake somewhere.
Yeah, we're on Red Bank Road.
Okay. Looks like you just follow the road all the way around until you get up to this gate right here, right by the water. Come up to this gate, Grasmere Lakeshore, then we head down that way. You okay? So there, we're at the lakeside. It looks like there's a path all the way around it. So do you want to keep walking and find a nice spot to stop? Yeah? A lone bench. Snicky snacky snoo. Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, so over there is the caves.
Yeah.
To the left of us the caves are over there and then Lovefrig is over there. Oh yeah.
Big.
I mean, it does look big. I ain't gonna say for a second that it ain't.
All the little ants of people.
But we can do that. That's our last day.
Okay. We will see how we go.
So there we go. We'll get to the caves first.
Yeah.
See how we feel. I believe we can do it.
You just want the content.
I want the content. I'm willing to suffer for my art. Are you?
Thing is, you've got the day off after this.
Yeah, I've still got to drive home.
Yeah,
You don't. You can go to sleep in the car. I don't have to.
No, you wouldn't let me sleep in the car anyway.
No, I wouldn't. Selfish.
We've both got to do it.
Puppies! Yeah! Loads of puppies! So, come a bit further round. There's a nice little quiet bit. So that can mean only one thing.
Shall we get that out?
Let's get him out one more time today, I think. We've done a load of drone footage.
There's been an injury.
A little one, just a teeny one.
It's not me. It's not me, guys.
I tried to land him in, and as I was landing him in, the wind kind of caught it ever so slightly where he got himself to a slope where it looked like it was going to come off. So I instinctively put my hand out to grab him, and it sliced my thumb. So obviously it was going around really fast, and I tried to stop it. So I've got 2 slice marks.
Oh dear.
I don't know. It doesn't look that bad, but it stings quite badly.
Yeah, it's like a quite deep paper cut, isn't
Yes.
it?
But it's stopped bleeding at least.
Not an injury.
As I said before, I suffer for my art.
Oh, bless you.
But we're now going to go back to Grasmere, have a wander around before tea, I think.
Got a bumbly round us.
Around us.
Yeah, so we've finished. I don't want to go any further. I need a wee. So we're going to go back and put our stuff in the car and just have a little bumble round.
Yeah.
We need to go to the co-op and get you a plaster.
Yes, I think we do.
So we're going to go and have a look around Grasmere now.
So we decided to come to Tweedy's, which is right near the car park. Massive place. They've got like a big craft beer game.
Yeah, I don't know.
Like they've got a lot going on.
And,
So you've gone for your Iron Brew Vault City, which you've had before.
bit of a different kind of victory pint, isn't it?
And I've gone for a Yonder lemon drizzle cake. Pastry sour. Lemon drizzle cake contains no nuts. No nuts. Scampi fries, a bit of bacon fries. One of each.
Oh, you heathen.
Cheers, babe.
Cheers.
Victory.
Uh-oh.
Oh, that's nice. That's refreshing.
Is it?
Oh.
Does it taste like a lemon drizzle cake?
It's similar to the key lime pie in the sense that you can taste the pastry in it.
Oh.
It's not as good as the key lime pie one, but it is nice.
Cheers,
Do you
all the
want to give it a go?
best. Yeah.
Nice, isn't it? Got that refreshing lemon, and then like you get a nice little bit of pastry around the edge.
So not as good as key lime,
No, but it is nice.
but that is nice. That is
Summer's day, that's... Hello. Oh, look how tiny he is. Oh, he's so tiny. Hello. Chilling. Little chill. Oh. Oh. Ba-dum.
Hey, sweet baby. Weehaw.
Hi.
What a long but beautiful day.
It was nice. Food was a lot.
Yeah, we
almost got a doggy bag, didn't we?
Yes, thank God,
Because there's
because
so much left.
we had so much left. We totally underestimated it. We shouldn't have gone for a starter.
No.
But when you've been out like walking on the fells all day, you're just like, oh, I'm
Ravenous.
starving.
Eyes are bigger than the belly.
But I think it's those nachos. Those
Yeah.
nachos were just
Too big.
too big.
Too big.
So I made a boo-boo and I didn't book in.
Well, you thought you had.
I thought I had and I
And
hadn't.
then it looked to me like the reservation never officially came through, but luckily they had space.
Yeah, so we got there for 5:30 and that's when they started serving dinner, and then it got really busy, didn't it? So we managed to secure a seat.
Just in time.
And as I say, our eyes were bigger than our bellies because we're like, we'll go for a starter and a main.
So I had black pudding fritters, like the little balls, and they were really nice.
They look nice.
They were really, really nice. Like I don't know what the sauce was that was on top of it, but the salad was really good with it. A little pork scratching bits as well.
It was a mustard mayo kind of thing.
Really good. I really liked those.
I got the nachos, and this is twice now that I have been stung by a nacho dinner.
Mm-hmm.
So I just got the little starter, and it came out.
It was big.
And it was massive, and I think that's what did me in. But they were really nice. They were like homemade tortilla chips, loads of sauce.
Yeah.
They didn't scrimp on the sour cream, guac and salsa, did they?
All the jalapenos.
All the jalapenos. They were spicy boys this time. Spicy boys. And then we decided to go for pizza.
Yeah, we did. Go for pizza.
Sourdough pizzas.
Yeah, so I had a meat feast, and you had a goat cheese and balsamic with caramelised onions.
Yes, I did. Yeah.
Yeah, both of them were really, really, really nice. Like, which is why we made sure to bring the remainder home with us, because yeah, it was all hand done. The
Fresh dough.
Fresh dough. The meat was so fresh and tasty as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, really good meat feast pizza. In fairness, yours was really nice as well. Like, I think that. Really like strong goat's cheese flavour. So if you don't like goat's cheese, you probably wouldn't like it, but why would you go for it anyway?
Yeah.
But yeah, really strong goat's cheese flavour. But the balsamic had a nice tang to kind
really
of cut through it.
And then balsamic onions as well. I did a completely vegetarian dinner tonight.
Yeah, you did.
What's going on here? So really good food. So 2 starters, 2 mains.
Oh, we had some chips as well for some stupid reason.
So the chips were really good as well.
Chips were really good and all, but God, why we had to bring them home as well?
We bought all those home, and it was just over 50 quid for that, which again I don't think too bad. We got our pints on top.
Pints as well.
So what was that? About 60 quid.
Yeah.
For the middle of Grasmere, I don't think that's bad for two starters, 2 mains, 2 beers. But I'm going to give it a 5 out of 5.
I'm going to give it a 5 out of 5 as well.
Yeah, I think it was just the starter. It was just too big. I think if I didn't have that, or if I had like the little prawn cocktail that I wanted, it would have been fine. I wouldn't have been so uncomfortable, but at least bought some home.
Yeah. But yeah, 5 out of 5. I couldn't grumble with that meal.
Yeah, it was lovely.
Yeah.
And the people were lovely as well. And the ambiance
It was nice.
was really
Fleetwood
nice.
Mac in the background was always a good thing.
Had a really good playlist on actually. And before we sign off, we did pick up some wares.
Shoe wares.
So you can't go to Grasmere without going to Sarah Nelson's gingerbread shop.
Yeah, and we are so glad that we went first thing in the morning before the walk, because when we walked past it later on in the afternoon, the queue was all the way through the graveyard.
It wasn't like that last time when we went in the middle of the day.
It was a massive queue. I was like, oh.
It went all the way round, down into the church, around the graveyard. I was like, oh my days.
We looked out.
But we did get a present.
Yeah, so we, of course, picked up the gingerbread again. We picked up some for Lex, looking after the puss. But then we also picked up some for ourselves as well, which is the good stuff.
Don't drop it now. Don't you dare.
But, oh God, it smells so good.
Even I'm so full, but
It smells fantastic.
it's like nothing else.
This stuff it is the best gingerbread in the world, which it begs the question, why change the recipe so much and refine it for mass-produced like stuff? Because this is just the best.
It is. It really is.
Every other gingerbread I've ever had is just superfluous compared to it.
You can't get this recipe anywhere else in the world. This is the only place you can get it. So if you are around the area, I highly recommend getting it. Even if you think you don't like gingerbread, it's not like gingerbread.
It's not like a standard gingerbread, man, that you find in any bakery. It's not like that at all.
It's like a flat.
Because I don't mind a bit of gingerbread, but I'm not like high on gingerbread. But that is different.
It's just, yeah, it's undescribable.
Picked myself up a cheeky little bag of ground coffee, and goddamn, that smells good as well.
Yeah, comfort coffee.
Yeah.
Says it goes very well with the gingerbread.
Oh.
And we've had that before as well, and
Yeah.
it is damn good coffee.
I wasn't going to get it, but I looked at it and went, nah, screw it.
Yeah, it is very good coffee. Last time I went, I got a tea towel. Get your bingo cards out. What you got? Eee! I never saw this last time, and I think it is new. It's a magnet. It might be reflective, but it's the shop, and obviously it says Sarah Nelson's Grasmere Gingerbread celebrated. It's heavy. It's metal. So you got a little magnet. And then this was because it's Easter, and I got a bit confused because they said they had Easter eggs, and I came out with this. I was like, that's not an Easter egg, but it's in the shape of an Easter egg, and they had 3 flavours, and it is a Seville orange chocolate, but it's spicy sweet. It's got the gingerbread crumb all over it.
Laced in.
It's laced in. And look, it's all handmade.
Yep.
Oh my god! Oh,
that looks good. Like little chunks of ginger in there by the looks of it.
Oh, and it's got the gingerbread on there.
That looks like it's going to be good.
Oh, chocolate orange.
I might have to have a little bite myself.
No, and that's all I wears.
Yes, that is our Grasmere Waterfall Walk day finished.
We're very tired.
Very tired. We both need showers, and then we're both going to go and chill out in that bed.
Yes, I'm very much looking forward to it. But we have, again, another fun-filled day tomorrow. We're going to Aeroforce.
Yes, so this is a big, proper waterfall.
Yeah, I mean, I did manage to find you a waterfall.
Yeah, we did find some waterfalls today.
But no, this is a big waterfall. It's on Allswater Lake. So we'll have a wander around there. We're taking it chill. We're not going up any fells. We're just going to have a wander around, and then we've got Easter Sunday dinner.
Sunday lunch.
Yay!
So yeah, make sure you keep a lookout for that video. Obviously, check out the other video before this as well, which is the Penrith video. That's it. So make sure that you like, subscribe, ding that notification bell to be notified whenever we do other videos. Make sure you find us on all of the socials as well as
Tiki-toki.
And
buy me a coffee.
if we don't see you before,
We'll see you after, guys.
Bye.
Take care.